And now let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us Waltz choreography with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now let's look at the same Waltz choreography, but this time in slow motion. We take close hold, start with preparation movement, and we dance natural spin turn. This version is overturned, so that we can continue with turning lock to promenade position. From here we dance chasse from promenade position. We continue with quick open reverse turn and tumble turn into line figure, throwaway oversway. Then we lead lady into swivel, into oversway. And we dance hover to promenade position. Very good. Let's look once again, and this time we will focus on direction of movement. So we take close hold and start preparation movement. Man is facing diagonally to wall. We dance first 3 steps of natural turn, moving diagonally to ball. Then spin turn itself, moving down line of dance, around corner, into turning lock to promenade position, to finish in promenade and move diagonally to center with chasse from promenade position. In same direction we dance quick open reverse turn, and we move down line of dance with tumble turn, into line figure, throwaway oversway. Then man leads lady into swivel, into oversway line, and we finish with hover to promenade position, ready to move diagonally to wall, into corner. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.